Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ashok, and today in this video we are going to discuss about two most important data structures in Python, set and dictionary. In this video we'll see the basic difference between set and dictionary. We'll understand in which scenarios you'll go ahead with set and in which scenarios you'll go ahead with dictionary. Apart from this, we'll see different operations or functions or methods which are available in set and dictionary, and at the end we'll run a sample Python code to understand the difference between these two. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. So if you want to understand the difference between list and tuple, I've already created a video. I'll provide the link in the description, and also it will be there in the iCard or iButton. Please go ahead and have a look. So now let's write down the difference between set and dictionary, and at the end what we'll do, we'll run the Python code to understand these differences. So first important point about set is it is unordered collection. So basically it is unordered collection of the elements. So it means that when you're creating a set with some order of the elements, when you're getting the result, those orders will not be saved and you'll get different orders of these elements. So now this dictionary is an ordered collection of key value pairs. Second important point is sets are mutable. So it means that once you created set and later on if you want to modify, change or add or remove the elements of the given set, you can do that. So that is the feature of this set, it is mutable. So basically set allows mutability. And in case of dictionary, this is also mutable. So it will also allow to modify, add and remove the key value pairs. Third key point is does not allow duplicates. So it means that your set cannot have the duplicate elements. So here in case of dictionary, does not allow duplicate keys. So we know that dictionaries are basically keys and values, right? So this dictionary will not allow duplicate keys, but you can have duplicate values. So we'll understand this in the code. So sets are basically used to store unique elements. So that's the reason it is not allowing the duplicates. And in dictionary, if you want to use some kind of information, you can make use of this dictionary. So now there are two options to create these sets. One is this using curly braces, or the other is using this set function. So let's see how you create a set. You say this 10, 20, 30. So this is an example of creating a set where you are using these curly braces. Similarly for dictionary also you have to use this curly braces. And how do you create dictionary is you say name is Robert, you say comma, age is 40. So this is the example of creating a set, and this is the example for creating a dictionary. So where in dictionary you typically have the key and the value, the key and the value. So now you know the difference between set and dictionary. Let's go ahead and write a Python code to understand these differences. So now let's understand this set. So what we'll do, we'll create a heading. Okay. So let me add few more cells. So we'll understand the first difference, like unordered collection of these elements, right? So what I'll do, I'll say my set equals to, let's create this. This is 1, 2, then you'll say apple, you have 10, 20, 100, right? So this is the my set, and then let's print this. We'll say my underscore set. Okay, so let me write down that as well. Let's set 1 equals to set function, provide the list, and then 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma banana, and then let's print this and say my underscore set. So what we have done here is we create two different sets, my set and my set 1. In the my set, typically we created this one to understand the unordered collection, and here you can see I've used the set function. Here I have created the set function, and we know that we can create set by using curly braces or using the set function. So here I've used the curly braces, here I've used the set function. Okay, so now let's run this. Guys, can you see this? So you have 1, 2, 120, 10 apple. So but my set of which I've created 1, 2 apple, 10, 20, 100. So there is no order. We saw that, right? So set is not maintaining the order. So that is the feature of this set. So it is unordered collection of elements. And second way of creating set also we saw, like creating set function, and then this says 1, 2, 3 banana. So now let's check about this mutability. So we know that mutability is basically modifying or adding or removing some elements from the given set, right? What I'll do, I'll say my set dot add function I will use, and then I'm adding mango. Okay, and then I'll print this particular set. And what I will do, again my set dot remove. So there is a function called remove. You can say mango. So whatever I'm adding in this particular step, this mangoes to this particular set, I will remove this here, right? Just to understand my set. So let me run this. Now guys, you can see here, right? So when I'm saying in this first line, I'm saying my set dot add. I'm adding this mango to this particular set. So this is a set, right? So you can see here, right? It added the mango here in this particular set. And the same in second step, what I'm doing, I'm just removing this mango which I've added here, right? And then printing this particular set. So here mango has been removed. And this is the other feature of set, which is mutable in nature. So now we know that set does not allow the duplicates, right? So let's check that. So here what I'm doing, let me create a list first just to show you. So this is the list. Since I need to get the unique set, so what I'll do, I'll say unique underscore set equals to, I'll pass this my list to this set function. So what I'm doing in these two steps is I've created my list of a list, and then here are the duplicates. And then what I say, unique set, I want to get a unique set. To get this unique set, we need to pass this my list to the set function. And we know that set does not allow the duplicates. Let's check that. Now let's print it. So let's run this. So you can see, so my list was having the duplicates as 3 is repeated 2 times. But when you say unique set and pass this list to this set function, this duplicate is removed. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4. So we understood few features and the operations of this set. Now let's go ahead and understand dictionary. So let me create a dictionary here. So I'll say my dictionary is equals to, we know that we'll use the curly braces. So this name, and this is a key, and it should have a value. And again we will have the key, let's say age colon, we'll say 30, and then again we'll say city Bangalore, and let's print this. So guys, what I've done here is I've created my dictionary using these curly braces, and this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, this is the value, this is the key, and this is the value. Okay, and then printing the my dictionary. So let's run this. So here you can see it is maintaining the order side, name, age, and city, name, age, and city. So the point to note here is it is saving the information, and it is using something called as key and a value pair to store these informations. So now let's take the same dictionary, and what we'll do some kind of modification to this dictionary, my dictionary, and I want to modify this age key. So this particular age key, and I'll say I want this age to be modified to 45. Here it is 30 and it should be modified to 45. So let's print my dictionary and see whether this data is getting changed or not. You can see the age was 30 here, and by this line we have modified the dictionary and the key age is replaced with the value 45. So typically in this line, what it is doing, it is inherently modifying the original dictionary. So here what I'll do, I will take the same dictionary which I used here. So I'll do a small modification into this dictionary. So let's observe, guys. What I'll say, name, I will say Diya, and then I'll print this my dictionary. So guys, can you guess what will happen in this case? What will be the my dictionary? So just go back a little bit in this particular video and see what features we have discussed about dictionary, and just pause for some time and think. So the name which we have provided here, it is the same name as this, right? So this is the key. This is also the key. So duplicate keys are not allowed in dictionary. For this particular name is a Bhuvan, this particular name is Diya. And next what we'll do, we'll try to modify this dictionary. We'll say dictionary of, basically I'll say city. I'll try to modify this city to Delhi and then print this dictionary. So guys, let's run this and see whatever you thought, whether you're getting the same results or not, right? So guys, you can see the first print is from this dictionary and the second print is from this dictionary, right? So this particular dictionary typically has duplicate names, right? So what has happened here? So here you can see it has printed name Diya, which is here. And what about this name? So in dictionary, what is happening here is you have the latest name, you are adding the latest name with the duplicate keys. In that particular case, this name will be overridden with this particular name, which is the latest one. And here in this particular line, we are just modifying this city. Instead of Bangalore, we are saying it is Delhi. You can see these results. You say name Diya, age 30, and city Bangalore in the first case, since you are not modified Delhi here. And in this case, you can see it is, you are getting the modified city. Okay guys, as usual, I have a task for you guys. So I want you guys to explore few of the functions or methods or operations in case of set, right? So I have mentioned few. Similarly, we have for dictionary, I have mentioned few functions or methods. So understand these functions or methods which I have provided here in case of set and dictionary, and you can provide the sample Python code for any of these functions in the comment section. Okay guys, that's it from my side for this particular video. So in this video, we understood about the two most important data structures in Python, set and dictionary. We also saw what is the basic difference between these two and few of the functions we saw. And then at the end, we ran a sample Python code to understand these differences. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you really like this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more such videos and share with all your friends. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, take care, keep learning and keep rocking.